Hello everyone. Conventional software testing using white box method. Software development process highly related to analysis, design, coding, testing and implementation processes. Testing process becomes imperative process to maintain a quality product running well. Testing process can be conducted both for structural and object oriented software. Keywords white box testing, basic path testing, flow graph, cyclomatic matrices, graph matrix. Software engineering covers two functions: software as a machine and software as a product. There are some required stages in the process of system development life cycle. SDLC has the important and interconnected processes from one to another. In the testing process utilizing SDLC, there have been some exciting method being able to be employed in the testing process. The principle of an application is to test to effectively and efficiently run includes. Testing must be based on user requirements. The available testing time and resources are limited. Resources need to be efficiently used for testing. Testing should be in small and processive terms in the far greater terms. The quality of the test itself should not be underestimated. There are several criteria in implementing good quality testing. The important steps are methods of the testing process using white box testing method. Research method. The research method applied in this research was implemented by doing the process of testing a conventional application or a structural based application used to convert number into a sentence. Loop testing, branch testing, basis path testing. Loop testing is one of testing type of white box testing having characteristics to focus in testing the validation of interaction construction in a source code. Branch testing is also called statement coverage and branch coverage. The method used to validate every code line executed at least once. The branch in programming language such as if statement has two values namely true or false. Basis path testing explained by Gupta. Referred to MCCAP ensures all independent code paths have been tested. Control flow testing, white box testing, data flow testing. Research, result and discussion, flow graph notation, cyclomatic complexity. Deriving test cases. Obtaining a test cases of the procedure become the main purpose from basis path testing. Some required phases in basis path testing are and follows developing a suitable flow graph according to proposed design or source code. Graph matrices. Graph matrices are two-dimensional matrices being very helpful in determining basis set. This research implemented testing by converting the flow graph to square matrix employing one line and column for every graph, therefore tracking all lines in the flow graph having been passed at once could be implemented. Cyclomatic complexity testing. The initial stage was reading the understanding the source code in order to construct a flow graph as this trial's most important process leading to the further processes. Graphic method. After calculating using cyclomatic complexity, there is an alternative method by using graph matrix from the exciting the graph. The graph matrix. Conclusion: the whole completed testing process presents some different results on each solution techniques of the testing process. The cyclomatic testing result shows, on the other hand, the graph matrix testing indicates it may be caused by an error in the flow graph construction or in the source code development. To black box testing by conducting testing only on the exciting system function. White box testing is used to test the procedure in its source code program. Additionally, there are some benefits in using white box testing, exemplified by the availability to execute all logical decisions on all independent paths in a model. An automatic testing process to minimize the software production cost and improve the software's reliability can also be executed. Thank you.